In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on 3D mode on Google Maps and enable the 3D view so you can explore places in a more immersive way. First, go ahead and open Google Maps on your computer using your web browser. You can use any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. But make sure it's up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes hide or limit certain map features, including 3D view. Once Google Maps is open, look for the area you want to explore. You can do this by typing a city, address, or landmark into the search bar at the top left and pressing enter. The map will zoom into that location so you have a clear starting point. Now, before we turn on 3D, check the map type you're using. By default, Google Maps usually starts in the standard map view, which is mostly flat and focuses on roads and place names. For a better 3D experience, it helps to switch to the satellite view. To do this, look in the bottom left corner of the screen for the option that lets you change the map style. Click it, then select the satellite or imagery option. The map will reload to show real-world imagery from above. Once satellite view is enabled, you're ready to turn on 3D. In the lower right corner of the map, you should see a group of controls that include zoom buttons and a small compass or tilt icon. This is where the 3D magic happens. If your area supports 3D, you'll notice that one of these icons allows you to tilt or rotate the map. Click and hold the tilt control, or simply click the 3D button if it appears. The map will start to angle, transforming from a flat, top-down view into an angled, three-dimensional perspective. Buildings, terrain, and landmarks will begin to pop out, giving you a more realistic view of the area. You can further adjust the perspective by holding down the right mouse button and dragging to rotate around, or by using the compass icon to spin the view. Use the scroll wheel, or the plus and minus buttons, to zoom in and out while staying in 3D mode. If at any point you want to go back to the regular flat view, just click the tilt or 3D control again, or reset the map using the compass to return to the default overhead view. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 3D mode on Google Maps and can now explore cities and landscapes in a much more dynamic way.